Hey, Matt Haviland here. I want to share some love here for the Blue Heron Pines Community in Galloway, New Jersey. So I just showed a house here, and I want to take you around a little bit. Right behind me here is the clubhouse. So what this is a community that is a golf course community. And it's not a 55 and over community, although a lot of the homes that you see in the community, I'll kind of show you there on the side. We have a lot of ranch homes in the community. A lot of these were built by Haviland, who also built Haviland also built the Four Seasons Smithville community. So a lot of these are basically the same layouts as they have in the 55 and over community in Galloway. A lot of homes with owner suites on the first floor. A lot of ranch homes in the community, and this is located in Galloway. We're really close to the airport, as well as the Mays Landing shopping area, so very convenient location here. Many of the homes are on the golf course, and then they do maintain the front lawns, and so you're basically maintaining the backyards, shrubs, and things like that around the house, which is really nice. There's the clubhouse, there's a pool. I'm walking you over to the golf course section. I want to show you around a little bit. Now, I'll turn around here. We'll be able to see the sunset here. Right behind me here is the driving range. I want to give a shout out to Coach Bruce here, who runs the New Jersey Academy of Golf. He does a phenomenal job. Our son actually goes here for lessons with Bruce. He's awesome for all ages, especially great for kids. So if you have kids, grandkids into golf or want to learn golf, this is a great place to do it right here. So just a look at the driving range, sun setting behind me here. Now, the other nice thing about being in the community here is there's an incredible clubhouse for the golf course, which I'm walking to. I'll show you that a little bit, or at least show you the back end of the golf course there. So there's a great restaurant there, open for lunch or dinner. You want to grab some food, grab a bite to eat, it's all right here within the community. They do events there, weddings, all kinds of things that you can do right here at the clubhouse. So beautiful night here, actually. I'll walk down a little bit further, and then I'll show you the exterior there of the clubhouse. So in this area of Atlantic County, there's only really two or three communities that have homes on the golf course. The closest one to this would be Harbor Pines in Egg Harbor Township. And I would say they're pretty similar. Although the designs here, a lot more ranch homes here than the Harbor Pines community. Price is a little bit cheaper here, I would say, compared to Harbor Pines too, which is helpful. So here's a look at the clubhouse, just the back end of the clubhouse there. Beautiful night on the golf course. Putting green behind me, and I'll start heading back this way. But yeah, the prices are more reasonable here, I would say, than Harbor Pines. So if you're looking for something on the golf course, you've got Harbor Pines, you've got Blue Heron Pines, would probably be the best. The golf course communities with single family homes options here at Atlantic County. So definitely something to consider if you're interested in a home, or you want to be in a community that's non-age restricted but kind of feels like a community that has amenities and that does maintain the lawn. This is definitely a nice option for low maintenance living, but not being in an age restricted community. Well, if you have any questions or comments on this community or any others, feel free to reach out, info@promptagents.com.